Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to make this, the claws of Wolverine. So let's DIY this. That's all about our today's video, and that's how we created a very easy origami craft. So if you like the video, then don't forget to click on that like button, share it with your friends, and yes, let me know your thoughts, your suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get an instant notification. So see you guys in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.